2009 Kawasaki KLX SF, I don't know, supermoto version. It's not the dirt. It's engineered to be on the road. It's a 6-speed rather than a 5. This shit pretty nice. I put a lot of work into it. Originally, kind of looked something like this.
Brother,
And now, oh yeah, good amount of work into it. I'll talk about my accessories I put on this and things I've done. We're good. Alright, so things I've done to this. A Serbies, I think that's how you pronounce it, front fender, KTM faceplate with a little fanny pack, little Naruto action. I put a rough country. It's a rough country light bar onto it. It's nice and bright.
What happened?
Nothing. I'm doing a YouTube video. I'm doing a video of my modifications I've done for the bike.
Where's the
Gas. Anywho, it's my light bar. Nice and bright. Looks good. I like how it's mainly black and not just a big white reflective bar. Super bright. I have to tuck it down during the night because how bright it is. What else? Aftermarket bars, CR High Pro tapers. I had to repaint them, but homie hooked me up with some Amazon special bar risers. Just today, I was riding my bike and my throttle cable snapped, so I took one off my Yamaha YZ450F and put this on, and it's so butter. It's like a quarter turn, so it's a lot more responsive. The bike actually feels a little bit more snappy. Renthal grips, because I fuck with Renthal. RSC lever, I did purple. I think it suits the bike fairly well. Yellow, orange, red, purple, kind of fades up. Graphics kit is Omega. It was a pretty penny, but hella worth. I think it looks beautiful. As well as the Omega seat. Super grippy, super nice. I really like it. I got the 3 ribbed on the back. I didn't get the whole thing ribbed just because mainly my ass sits right here. Put a little step plate. I believe this was originally on to hold the tail light. That thing broke off again. But a buddy of mine and I cut a hole, slid it up, welded it, etc. It's really nice. These are eventually going to be my 12 bar. I'm going to weld a little block on the end so I can screw in some titanium. And I bought a little flip plate. Love it, worth every penny. Integrated tail light from TST. It's a little jank right now. I have to fix it. I have to figure something out for it. Integrated, like I said. I got the Walmart special pegs for the rear. Just get a threaded rod. Get a pack of these for $10 and make something out of it. Akrapovic cheap eBay exhaust. It's not real because F it. Little silicone crash protection for it. I eventually want to put a peg somewhere here to protect the fairings and my coolant reservoir. I might do a coolant reservoir delete. We'll see. So I got the Akrapovic eBay AliExpress special muffler. This mid pipe was a DG and the front is a stock. I'm eventually going to put titanium wrap on it. We took the heat shield holders off. We angle grinded them bitches off so it's nice and smooth, so it'll be easy to wrap. Little anodized red rear brake hose holder. I think it blends well with the rear shock and the red on the Acra and the red fanny pack. Every other spoke white. I didn't want to do all white. I think it looked a little too tacky, a little too much. And the chain and sprocket, I believe the front one is stock for sure. I don't know what it is. I can put it up on the screen. And then I did 50 tooth on the rear, did a gold chain, and it's a lot snappier, a lot more torquey. It's easier to pick up. And I put a little Monster canned, whatever this is, the rear shock reservoir, whatever this thing is. And yeah, this bike is actually, it's not as strong as a WR250, mainly because this is carbureted, those are fuel injected, so you really do feel the power difference. It's really nice though. I mean, if y'all are trying to get into wheeling, Kawasaki KLX250, highly recommend. Saying obviously wheelies in first, second, third. You could probably get it up in fourth if you're gonna put your foot on that plate, but I'm not at that level. Cool.